Hello everyone, my name is Esther Kelly and I'm from the Highland of Jamaica. I'm here to tell you about the goodness of God and what He has done for me. When I was younger, God brought all of us together where my parents would have to sing along outside. We would stand according to how we were born, pray individually and give thanks and praises. We didn't have much, but the love of God was in the midst. So I can see we're worshiping God from a tender age. It has shaped my life into the person I am today. Over the years, I have been through a lot. It was God who had brought me through. With fasting, prayer, and also tarrying in His presence. I was molested in my young years, and it had only been because of God why I'm still here. I could have died, but the Lord have a plan, and that plan is to help other women who have gone through the same thing. I was sick for 3 years and 8 months, respiratory problem. It was hard for me to breathe. During my sickness, it was God all the way who helped me. I have died many times. Each time I died, God was the one who resuscitated me. Walking life's journey, it wasn't easy. It's all through God I can do valiantly. For He it is that tread down my enemies. During my sickness, I was told to do a honest confession. That honest confession brought me healing, deliverance, victory. I have received multiple healing and deliverances from God. Going through my dark times, I was encouraged by my family, especially my beloved sister, Bishop Catherine McCarthy, and my beautiful niece, Yolana. They fasted, they prayed, they encouraged me, they spent quality time with me in the hospital. And that's why I am inspired to encourage others to be themselves and to give God a try by putting Him to the test. I can recommend my Lord to every man. God Almighty is my source, my strength, my shield, my defense, the air that I breathe. God is my hope keep and weapon of war, and I love Him.